In this session, we are going to learn about words of places. Okay, words of places. Then only we can use these words in your day-to-day life and languages. Okay. Now let us learn words of places. Words of places. The first one is upar. Upar. The pronunciation is upar. The meaning is above. Okay. Meaning is above. गाड़ी के ऊपर सामान रखो. गाड़ी के ऊपर सामान रखो means place the things above the car. Okay. गाड़ी के ऊपर सामान रखो. Then the second one is नीचे. नीचे. The pronunciation is नीचे. The meaning is below. Meaning is below. Okay. बिल्ली मेज के नीचे है. बिल्ली मेज के नीचे है means the cat is below the table. Then the third one is आगे. आगे. The pronunciation is आगे. The meaning is forward or in front of. Two meaning for this, forward and in front of. आगे. मेरे आगे वक्त बच्चा चल रहा है. मेरे आगे वक्त बच्चा चल रहा है means the child forwarding me here. मेरे आगे वक्त बच्चा चल रहा है. मेरे in front of means मंदिर के आगे एक तालाब है. मंदिर के आगे एक तालाब है means there is a pond in front of the temple. Okay, these are the words we are using in the day-to-day life that we have to know. Then only you can speak. Then the fourth one is पीछे. Pronunciation is पीछे. The meaning is behind, at the back of. Two meanings for this, behind and then the at the back of. Okay. कक्षा में छात्र पीछे बैठते हैं. पीछे बैठते हैं means at the back of, everyone sitting in the classroom. At the back of, everyone sitting in the classroom. Then the fifth one is यहाँ. यहाँ, इधर. Both are the same. While using in the spoken, we can use both. Okay, speaking in the spoken, here and there we can use see. यहाँ, इधर. यहाँ, इधर. यहाँ, this is the pronunciation. यहाँ, इधर. The meaning is here. Meaning is here. यहाँ बैठो. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. This is the meaning. यहाँ बैठो means sit here. Okay. Then further, इधर आओ. इधर आओ. इधर आओ means come here. इधर आओ means come here. Okay. Then the sixth one, वहाँ उधर. Same as यहाँ इधर, we can use वहाँ उधर. वहाँ, pronunciation वहाँ उधर. The meaning is there. Meaning is there. वहाँ बैठो. वहाँ बैठो. Sit there. This is the difference. Okay. Sit there. वहाँ बैठो. उधर बैठो. उधर बैठो means as same as sit there. Sit there. Then the seventh one, कहाँ. कहाँ, किधर. Okay. कहाँ, किधर. The pronunciation is कहाँ and another one is किधर. That is the meaning is where. The meaning is where. कहाँ, किधर. तुम कहाँ जाते हो. तुम कहाँ जाते हो. Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जाते हो. Where are you going? The use of किधर we can say that बच्चा किधर है. Where is the baby? Where is the baby? बच्चा किधर है. बच्चा किधर है means where is the baby. Okay. These are the seven places we have known. Then the another we can go, that is the eighth one. Eighth one is दूर. Pronunciation is दूर. then the meaning is far or at a distance. मेरी घर यहाँ से दूर है. Okay, मेरी घर यहाँ से दूर है means my house is far from this place. My house is far from this place. Then the ninth one is pass. Pass. Pronunciation is pass. The meaning is near. Near. Okay. The church is near the temple. Okay. Both are in the opposite side. We can say that the church is near the temple. In Hindi we can say that the church के पास मंदिर है. Okay. Church के पास मंदिर है. Then for the 10th one, the pronunciation, see here, dayen, dayen, right side, right side. मेरी घर मंदिर के दाएं है. मेरी घर मंदिर की दाएं है. My house is right side of the temple. Okay, if anyone asks us to some address, they have to go. They can show their visiting cards. Okay, they can show their visiting cards. We can read it. Then we have to tell them the address. That is why we can say in English, go right side. Okay, go right side, turn around. Then go left side. Okay, then go left side. For the purpose, for the right side in Hindi, we have to use daye. Okay, we have to use daye. We can say to them that daye mudo. दाएं साइड जाओ. दाएं साइड जाओ means right side. Okay, right side. दाएं मुड़ो. दाएं मुड़ो means go right side. दाएं तरफ जाओ. दाएं तरफ जाओ means right side go. You can go on the right side. If someone asks us the address, okay, then only we can say that. Then the 11th one is baye. Baye. Baye means left side. Baye means left side. Go to the left side. Okay, you can say that बाएं तरफ जाओ. बाएं तरफ जाओ. Okay, बाएं की सीट पर बैठो. बाएं की सीट पर बैठो means sit in the left side chair. Okay, left side chair. Then the 12th one. 12th one is andar. In the, see here the in is half. Then only you have to pronounce it as consonant sound. Then andar. The pronunciation is andar. The meaning is inside, within. Meaning is inside, within. Okay. If anyone outside the house, they can call us. They can call us, are you in the home? Are you in the home? Then we can say it, yes, I am in my house. Okay. In Hindi, we can say it as, मैं घर के अंदर हूँ. In Hindi, we can say it as, मैं घर के अंदर हूँ. If anyone calls you, okay, calls you, we can say them that मैं घर के अंदर हूँ. Then the next side, बाहर. Next one is बाहर. बाहर, pronunciation is बाहर. The meaning is outside. The meaning is outside. Okay. If मेरी सहेली मुझे फ़ोन करती है, मैं उसे कहती हूँ कि मैं बाहर हूँ. मैं बाहर हूँ. Okay. If my friend calls me in the cell phone, where are you? Then if I am in the outside, then I can say that I am out of station. Okay. I can say that I am out of station. Bahar. Okay. Outside. Then the 14th one, see, kahi. Kahi. The pronunciation is kahi. The meaning is somewhere. The meaning is somewhere. Okay. If my saree is so beautiful, my friends ask me. Okay. My friends ask me, where did you buy that saree? Okay. Where did you buy the saree? But I didn't know the place where I bought. Okay, I didn't know where I bought. Then I can say I bought this saree somewhere. I bought this saree somewhere. Then here we can say मैं इस साड़ी कहीं भी, okay, कहीं भी खरीदी, मुझे याद नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं, मैं एक साड़ी कहीं कहीं खरीदी, मुझे याद नहीं, okay, मुझे याद नहीं. Then for the 15th one is sarvatra. Sarvatra, the pronunciation is sarvatra, then meaning is everywhere, everywhere. We can say that God is everywhere, God is everywhere. In Hindi we can say Bhagwan ji sarvatra hai, okay, Bhagwan sarvatra hai means God is everywhere, okay, God is everywhere. These are the words of places we have to know. These are the words of places we have to know and use in the day to day life, okay, understand?